Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Saeco Intelia espresso machine. So let's go ahead and make a shot. There we get a nice shot of espresso. Let's test the hot water. Or let's test the steam actually. We already know the hot water works. You can see we get this. The display isn't lit up like it used to be, but you basically can't see the steam icon. You can see the steam works well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.